Hi sir, my name is K. Shivakumar. Roll number is 22955A0317 from Mechanical Department. My topic is Humanoid Robots in Aircraft Manufacturing Airbus Use Cases. Introduction: Humanoid robots in aircraft manufacturing Airbus use cases. Airbus, a leading aircraft manufactured, employs humanoid robots to enhance efficiencies and precision in their manufacturing process. This presentation employs the various use cases of humanoid robots in Airbus. Assembly line automation. Humanoid robots are used on Airbus assembly lines to perform repetitive tasks with high precision. These robots can handle delicate components and assist human works in complex assemble processes by automating certain tasks. Airbus improves production speed and quality. Aircraft inspection. Airbus utilized humanoid robots equipped and advanced sensors for aircraft inspection. These robots can assess hard to reach areas and conduct through rough inspections more human works efficiency than human work. By using robots for inspect, inspections, Airbus ensured aircraft safely and applications with regular regulations. Welding and joining. Humanoid robots are employed in welding and joining process to at Airbus to ensure consistent and high quality welds. These robots can work in tight spaces and perform intricate welding tasks with precision. By using robots for welding, Airbus improves the structural integrity of its aircraft. Painting and coasting. Airbus use humanoid robots for painting and coating aircraft surfaces to achieve a flawless finish. These robots can apply paint and coatings evenly, reducing the risk for defects in inconsciously by automating painting processes. Airbus enhances the aesthetics of its aircraft. Material handling. Humanoid robots assistment with material handling tasks at Airbuses such as transporting components and tools. These robots can navigate factory floors safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of accidents. By using robots for materials handling, Airbus streamlines its production process. Collaborative robotics. Airbus integrates collaborative robots or bots into its manufacturing operation at alongside human employees. These cobots enhance productivity by assisting workers with tasks that require strength or precision by fostering collaboration between robots and humans. Airbags creations a safer and more efficiency for work environment, quality control. Ergonomics and safely. Airbus is proving ergonomics and safely by deploying humanoid robots to handle heavy or hazardous tasks. These robots can reduce the physical strain on human workers and minimize the risk for injuries by improving workplace ergonomics and safety. Airbus enhances employee well-being and productivity. Maintenance and repair. Humanoid robots are utilized for maintenance and repair tasks on aircraft at Airbus's facilities. These robots can assess confined spaces and performance maintenance produces with precision. By using robots for maintenance, Airbus minimizes downtime and periodically the lifespan of future perfections. Airbus continues to explore new applications of humanoid robots in aircraft manufacturing. The company rewards capability and integrating there into more processes by embracing technologies advancements. Airbus is remaining at the forefront of innovation in the aerospace industry impact. The deployment of humanoid robots in aircraft manufacturing by Airbus sets a preceding for, for the industry of aerospace companies and likely to follow quite and integrate robots into their manufacturing operations. By driving innovation and efficiency, Airbus contributions to the advancement of the aerospace sector as a whole. Conclusion. Humanoid robots play a pivotal role in enhancing efficiency, precaution, and safety in aircraft manufacturing at Airbus. By utilizing robots improve the improves production quality, reduces cost, and fosters innovation. The integration of humanoid robots underscores Airbag's commitment to excellence and leadership in the aerospace industry. The integration of humanoid robots underscores Airbus commitment to excellence and leadership in the aerospace industry. So, by utilizing robots for a wide range of tasks, Airbus improves production quality, reduces cost, and positive innovations. Aerospace industry. Thank you, sir.